Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a cute card using the Aflutter bundle. So we have the Paper Medley Mix-In Designer Series paper pack. This is a 12 by 12 paper. Of course, you guys know I cut my paper down to 4 by 6. Then we have the Aflutter bundle, which includes a punch and the stamp set. Okay, so before we get started on our project, of course we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Bikes and Blooms paper pumpkin kit that's going to make 9 cards with metallic butterfly embellishments. Calypso Coral, is the classic stamping spot. We have our Wonderful Scenes add-on dies that coordinate with April, May, and June paper pumpkin kits. And I do have a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. Next, we have our May 2026 product of the month. This product is called Berry Botanical Vellum. It is a 12 by 12 designer series paper that you get 12 sheets, 3 each of 4 single-sided designs. Has some lovely colors in here: Bubble Bath, Flirty Flamingo, Fresh Freesia, Golden Glow, Hydrangea Hue, Misty Moonlight, Peaceful Pines, Soft Sea Foam, and Strawberry Slush. So you can get this exclusive product for only $5 when you spend $75 or more in a single order before tax and shipping and after your rewards or any kind of discounts, okay? Next, we have our Stampin' Rewards program where you earn 10% on all orders $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. Redeem rewards on future orders. You track and save your rewards in your online Stampin' Up account, and those rewards do expire 12 months after the earning date. Lastly, we have our Join special. So until the 31st of May 2026, Stampin' Up is offering 2 different options for your starter kit. Starter kits cost $99 plus tax. Shipping is free. You get to choose $125 worth of product. Now, the offer now is you get 5 of the brand new ink pads, the 2026 to 2028 ink colors, in your starter kit for free. If you're not interested in those ink pads, why, I don't know. But if you're not interested, they give you a second option, which is where you just add $35 more to your starter kit. So instead of $125 worth of product, you can get $160. Okay, so you can get the stamp ink pads or $35 extra in your starter kit. That is the deal for May 2026. That is all of our buzzworthy business for the day. So let's go ahead and get started on our project. So the first thing we're going to do is some stamping. So I have some basic white here, and I'm going to stamp my butterflies, but I need to get my punch so I can see how I need to put them on here. So I'm going to get some Calypso Coral, and I'm going to ink up my butterflies here. And I'm just going to stamp that right there. Ooh, that is pretty. So we're going to put that to the side because I think I'm going to use it again. So let's open our punch. When you want to close your punch, you push it down and pull that lever down. To unlock it, you push it up and release. So let's see if I did this. No, I need scissors. I need to cut this corner off because I didn't exactly get this lined up well for my punch. Just punch those out. We're going to put these to the side until we need them later. Let's get everything out of the way. Next, we are going to stamp on some more basic white. And this is 1 7/8 by 2 5/8. And we're going to stamp in Petal Pink a little row of butterflies. I want to make sure I got this inked up really well, because I did not do practice stamping, and this is the first time I'm using this stamp set. Okay, we have that. So that's all we're done with the Petal Pink. And then we're going to take the Calypso Coral, and we're going to stamp the word friend about right there, just like that. It might be a little too low for me, but we're gonna go with it. And then I have some crumb cake here, and we're gonna stamp the rest of our sentiment that says fluttering by to say hi. And I'm just gonna put that right here above the word friend. Fluttering by to say hi, friend. Okay, so that is all of our stamping done. So now we're just gonna put our card together. Okay, so for this piece, I have some Calypso Coral that is 2 by 2 3/4, and we're gonna glue these together. Let me get my liquid glue here. You guys, I love my little glue holders from the Country Hive. I have like one for all the seasons, and then this one is just like my generic one I use when there's nothing, no holiday going on or anything. I love it. So we're just gonna glue that together like that. We're gonna put that to the side. Then I have some Designer Series paper here. These measure 1 5/8 by 3 1/2. And we're gonna attach those to some Calypso Coral that is Calypso Coral. If this is 1 5/8, that means this is 1 3/4 by 3 5/8, I think. Yeah. Am I doing this right? No, the DSP, I'm sorry. The Calypso Coral is 1 5/8 by 3 1/2. The Designer Series paper is 1 1/2 by 3 3/8. I went the opposite way. So we're gonna glue these together. Just get them on their little mats here. Okay, then I have another piece of Calypso Coral that is 1 5/8 by 4 7/8. And then I have Designer Series paper that is 1 1/2 by 2 and 1 1/2 by 1. So we're gonna glue these on here like this. So it's the same designer sheet of Designer Series paper. I just flipped it over and used the opposite side. And we're just gonna put that on here like that. We're gonna do the same thing over here. So layer that on there like that. Okay, so then I have 2 more pieces. We have some basic white here. This is 4 7/8 by 3 5/8. And I think I want to emboss this. Okay, so I'm gonna do some embossing on this basic white. And let me get my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine out here. And we're gonna emboss this using the Ladybug Picnic 3D embossing folder. So let's just get this put inside. So we're gonna have ladybugs and butterflies. Okay, so I have that all embossed. That is so pretty. And we're gonna attach this piece to some crumb cake that is 5 by 3 3/4. So, oh my goodness, this is super cute. So we're just gonna attach these 2 pieces together. Like this. And I probably shouldn't have attached these 2 together yet. Because I just realized I need to attach this, and if there's overhang, I can't cut it off now. But that's okay. So we're gonna put this on to our basic white. We're just gonna attach it on there. Let me put a little more since it's going on this emboss piece. We wanna make sure. I think I'm gonna put it lower than high and then middle, just a little lower than putting it middle. Okay, we have that. Then we're going to put these two pieces on. Again, I need to use quite a bit of glue here. It's going to be just the tiniest bit of that showing up and down. Ooh. Come on, Shauna, get that straight. Okay, let's add our other piece on here. I'm going to make sure this stuff is sticking. We're going to put this one about right there. Let's move it up a little bit. That pretty even? I'm going to say yes. So now we're going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals. We're going to add our sentiment. Before we put all of this onto the base of our card. I'm going to add 5 or more. 5 or more dimensionals. You guys know I love to fill up my backs with dimensionals. We're just going to remove the paper backing off of these sticky dimensionals here. We're going to add our sentiment right along here, like this, just like that. And then let's go ahead and add this to our card base before I forget and think that I'm done. Okay. So our card base is Calypso Coral, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And I do have the inside piece here, a basic white that is 3.5 by 4 3/4. And we're going to add this little banner. This is like 3/4 of an inch, and I just cut it at no particular length and made a banner. And I'm just going to stick right here at the top, just like that. Make sure it's not crooked. We're going to get our stamping seal to add this into the inside of our card base. Just like this. And the last thing we have to do is add our butterflies and our bling. So let's get our butterflies, and I'm going to put these up on Stampin' Dimensionals as well. I'm only going to add 1 dimension on each butterfly. So let's see here. Where's the biggest one? I want to put that one. That's not the biggest, is it? Well, it doesn't have to be. I'm going to put this one here. And we're going to put the small one about right there. Let's see. More like that. Let's do it. Remove the backing. Put that there. Remove the backing. Put this one here. Remove the backing of this last one. We're going to put that one going this way. Come on. There we go, just like that. And then for the bling, who thought putting on butterflies would be so difficult, right? For the bling, we have the pearlized faceted circles. This is part of the lovely and beautiful suite of products. So let me show you, these things are gorgeous. Look at that. They come in Calypso Coral, Petal Pink, and White. I need my Take Your Pick tool. And we're gonna put, let's see. Let's put the Calypso Coral on. So it's 2 different sizes here. So let's put 2 down here. I'm gonna put 1 up here. That is our card done. Isn't that pretty? This is the All Aflutter bundle. So now you know the buzz on all the flutter. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later.